Well, it's a... Thank you. It's a different image for Adamant, isn't it, in the way you dress and everything?
It's a bit more like you, really.
It is. Conservative. Would you say?
Conservative, yeah. I think the 90s is a bit sartorial, you know.
Yeah. All that, the beginning of your career, or when you really began to hit it, make it big.
Yeah.
How important was your image to that success?
I'd like to say it was all the songs, you know, they were so wonderful that people couldn't avoid it. But I think, in all honesty, it was pretty important. Yeah. Because it was a visual time, and the videos were key to sort of success. And I'd been brought up with very visual groups, Roxy Music, Bowie, and Alice Cooper. And
still as important now, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
How you look is at least as important as how you sound.
Well, I think to sound good and perform well, you've got to sort of feel good. And I know if I'm performing, it's like going to a wonderful wedding or something, and I like to dress up for the occasion.
Did you miss that? Because you've been away now for the best part of 5 years, pursuing your acting ambitions. Was it that you couldn't stay away from the performing and the music?
Well, I really didn't want to, you know, I thought 8 years in the music business in one thing and enjoying sort of success that I never expected was more than I could ever hope for. But I had wanted to act all during that period and couldn't because I was doing tours and stuff. And I started with a play at the Royal Exchange with Sylvia Sims, entertaining Mr. Sloane. And it woke me up to the fact that, you know, at the end of the run, I knew nothing about acting and a lot about... The only thing that I could do from rock and roll was like bow at the end, you know, all the rest was hard work. And acting is a craft, and I've just been serving an apprenticeship like every other actor.
Well, you went to Hollywood to do that. Why didn't you stay here? I mean, we've got a stronger acting tradition here than they have in America.
Well, I started off with 3 months at the Royal Exchange, which was very useful to me with the kind of actors that I was working with, you know. But I don't know, that you've got to go with the workers in the 90s.
Were you disappointed with the kind of work you got over the last
America?
5 years? Yeah.
No, because I wanted to learn the craft, and it was much better to work with actors that you respect. Tom Hulce, you know, Bruce Dern, Brad Davis, are all people. Steven Spielberg, for instance, you know, I worked with him, and I would do my bit and then spend the rest of the shoot, instead of going back to the dressing room and having a drink and sort of sitting down and waiting, I'd stay on the set and watch them, and you learn so much by just the bits in between. And these actors are so, you know, generous. You know, take you to the side and say, "That was okay, son. You know, you can do this thing." And it was cool because I learned, and it was a good experience.
Well, I mean, have you stopped doing that now? You're back in the music. I mean, all that experience is wasted if you come back into the music scene.
No, it's actually helped me because it's really relaxed me. As a performer, I feel more, you know, there's certain things in music you can do, but it's also, it all goes very quickly. With acting, I like the pace of it. And making records and performing something that's in my heart, I have a passion for it, and it just took this amount of time to do it right, and hopefully I'm doing it right. And whatever happens, happens, but I'm pleased the record's out there, and, you know, it's lovely to be on this show, and it's the first performance I've done, and in fact I did Viva La Rock on this very show. Yes. And it's very nice of you to ask me on.
Oh, we're delighted to have you back, because you did, not disappear, but you left the music scene, and you're back now for good, unless the acting bug bites again. Well, you're going to disappear again.
I'd like the acting bug to bite in England, because I'd certainly like to work at, say, the Old Vic with Jonathan Miller. I mean, I'd keep coming backwards and forwards, and I go to the theatre all the time, and I'd like to do a play next, because I think it's where you really learn the craft, and I like craftsmanship. I think music is a craft, but it takes a long time. With Adam and the Ants, when we were on Top of the Pops to do the first single, we'd done 3.5 years in clubs learning, you know, dodging bottles and...
First of all, is there age discrimination? I mean, if I want to get a job with your group.
Well, actually, my group's a mixed bunch, really. You could probably get, and I think Alan might stand a good chance as well.
Well, I can't jump backwards. You know?
No, but we're looking...
You've got a bad back as well, have you?
No, we're looking for, you know, I might need a rap song. Have you ever thought of doing a sort of Whicker rap?
There was a Whicker rap song. It was in the top 10.
Oh, well, that shows how long I've been away.
Oh, really?
Right. Well, you know how hard it is then? It's
I didn't sing it, but there was somebody rabbiting away in the background.
Oh, but there's an Alan Whicker Appreciation Society, isn't there?
Absolutely, and they must have been some of them doing it.
He's got more imitators, this man, than anybody in the world.
I know.
Are you going to be cloned? I think I've been cloned already.
He has just several times.
And not only that, the Radio Times cloned the clones. Did you see that?
Amazing. I grew up, you know, watching your show, and I must say, you know, it is amazing how all around the world, you know, I'm in America at sort of 3 in the morning or something, I'm looking at clicking through my 39 channels because I'm a TV addict.
Yeah.
And it goes from sort of channel, and there you are, you know, in the middle. And I remember seeing it first time around.
You thought it was a nightmare?
Well, I don't know, I think American TV is a bit of a nightmare, but I kind of enjoy it. So.
Look, Adam, stay with us.
Okay.
And thank you for joining us. Nice to see you again.
My pleasure.
Congratulations on it.